Hey there, future crypto millionaires. Let's talk about keeping your digital cash safe. That's where SafePal comes in.
This is presented to you by Education 4708. Just proceed to view the full content.
SafePal is like a digital vault for your crypto, and it's super easy to use even for beginners. There are two main types of SafePal wallets, the mobile wallet and the hardware wallet. The mobile wallet is an app on your phone. You can use it to buy, sell, and trade crypto on the go. The hardware wallet is a physical device that stores your crypto offline. Think of it like a high-tech piggy bank for your digital coins. Both are great options, but the hardware wallet offers extra security. Why? Because your crypto is completely offline. That means hackers can't get to it, even if they have your phone. In the next section, we'll walk through how to set up your very own SafePal wallet. Stay tuned. Ready to get started with SafePal? First, download the app. It's available for free on both iPhone and Android. Once you've got the app, open it up and follow the on-screen instructions to create your wallet. Now here comes the important part, your seed phrase. This is a series of 12 random words that acts like the master key to your crypto. Write it down on paper and store it somewhere safe. Don't keep it on your computer or phone. Remember, if you lose your seed phrase, you lose access to your crypto. No exceptions. Once you've backed up your seed phrase, you're good to go. You can start using your SafePal wallet to buy, sell, and trade crypto. Sending and receiving crypto with SafePal is a breeze. Just tap the receive button and share your wallet address with the sender. To send crypto, just enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you want to send. It's that simple. But SafePal is more than just a wallet. You can also use it to connect to decentralized apps or dApps and DeFi platforms. These platforms let you do all sorts of cool things with your crypto, like lending it out for interest or trading it on decentralized exchanges. Think of it like online banking, but for crypto. Just be sure to do your research before using any dApp or DeFi platform. Not all of them are created equal, and some can be risky. For the ultimate in crypto security, check out the SafePal S1 hardware wallet. Remember that high-tech piggy bank we talked about? This is it. It keeps your crypto offline and protected from hackers. Plus, it's super easy to use. Just connect it to your phone via Bluetooth and you're good to go. No matter which SafePal wallet you choose, always remember to practice good security habits. Keep your software up to date, use strong passwords, and be wary of phishing scams. And never ever share your seed phrase with anyone. That's it for today's crypto lesson. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep on stacking those SATs. And for those who can help support this channel, because we are not yet monetized and we need a pro video editor to improve our videos to make the images and effects more realistic and appropriate to the theme, please do not hesitate to donate via Gcash at 0935543948. Your donation will help us improve our videos. Thank you very much for your understanding.